To make drums, one animal must be sacrificed. What? That cannot be! We cannot die for music!
My friends, why shed blood? Let each of us cut a small piece of our ear. Together, it will be enough.
Let us build it strong. Now, who will play them? My hands are too heavy. I cannot sit still for long. I have no interest.
Maybe I was meant for this. Let me try.
This is amazing! Such beautiful music. I have never heard anything like this.
Who is playing this music?
There is no one here!
We must catch the hidden drummer. I will stay behind and catch him. Then it is settled.
Tonight the forest will sing again.
Gotcha! Where is our drummer? I ate him! You destroyed our music! Wisdom came too late. Without the rat, there is no orchestra.